Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and if you like to eat amazing food without a ton of work, then you're definitely going to want to hit that subscribe button, because that's exactly what we do here. And today we're making steamed rice. You're going to love this way of making rice because it's super easy and your rice comes out perfectly fluffy every time. This is my favorite way of making rice because you don't need to use any measuring cups. Simply rinse your rice until the water runs clear. Put it in a pot, sprinkle a little salt over it, add enough water so it covers about an inch, or when you stick your finger in it, the water comes right up to your first knuckle. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and bring the rice over here to the stove and let it come up to a boil over medium-high heat, uncovered. Let it boil like this until the water just skims the top of the rice and the vent holes start to appear. All right, now you can go ahead and lower your heat to a simmer, cover your pot with a tight-fitting lid, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. So our 15 minutes are up, so go ahead and fluff your rice, check it, taste it. I just want to taste it. Oh yeah, you're really gonna enjoy this. But it's still just a little wet, so go ahead and vent it and let it vent for about 5 minutes, and that is it. So I hope you enjoy your steamed rice. Leave a comment, let me know, be sure to subscribe, stick around for more videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.